Okay, so I bought this connector, so it's quick connect. And weatherproof. That way when you take the top of the Jeep off, you could just disconnect that too. Nice solid connection. All right, so my plan, using our little universal kit here, since it has so much option to build, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this right here, right? This is the very end of it. I got a plan. Well, maybe I should, well, too late, already cut it. Too late to turn back now. See, I'm stealing this because it's a fancier cable. Granted, I wish it was a 3-wire, but beggars can't be choosers, you know? All right, check it out though. See how fancy that looks? Actually, I might be able to lop this off too. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So if I cut this here, try to make it look pretty. Okay, now I got a black and a red and a black and a red. I'm gonna use one of these blacks as the yellow, but I'm gonna use the middle one. So the very last one on the end, I'm gonna make a ground, because that's commonly where your ground goes. This is where some of those helping hands would come in handy. You know what I mean?
Not hamburger helper?
Yeah.